Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
Tiguan R-Line 2.0 TDI 150PS DSG is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen in a stunning deep black pearl finish. This blacked out vehicle looks incredible and is currently being used as a demonstrator, so mileage is due to change, but it's being well maintained during its life cycle. With these stunning, upgraded 20-inch York alloy wheels, black, that create a really desirable look to the vehicle. As you can see, this is upgraded in the black styling pack. We also have a factory-fitted tow bar, which is retractable and an upgraded option to the vehicle. A large boot capacity big enough to fit stuff like suitcases inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for a child seats, cup holders in the center console, and USB-C inputs. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the digital cockpit, which we'll touch on this soon. In pan around, you can see a clean and well-maintained interior consisting of the sole and black interior upholstery. We have an upgraded panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light, alongside a skyline view, creating a breathtaking experience. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use and incorporates DSG shift paddles. On the dashboard display, it shows key information like your driving data, audio, and your telephone. You also have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. And over on the left hand side, we also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed while traveling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety, and a layer of comfort throughout your everyday travels. The infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options to choose from, and using the new scroll wheel, we can actually indicate the different driving modes. There's 4 to choose from, and these do offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive, and Individual allows you to tailor individual settings to get you to that perfect driving position. As we do make our way into our heated and massage seats, here you'll see you have 3 different massage functionalities to choose from for you and your front passenger to enjoy, and these are separately controlled. You also have heated seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from for those colder days, and again, separately controlled. Lastly, the car also features a rear view camera alongside your trailer assist and your parking sensors. As you can see here, accessing it directly, you can use the button to access it, or you can simply pop the car into reverse, and this creates a really confident experience whilst parking into tight spaces. It's great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it can be a little bit tight.